I be having some fun on that thing. All right, we are on our way now. Daytime. Last night I tried recording. It didn't work out great at all, to be honest. Nice little e-bike. Daytime journey. I can't guarantee it's going to be a fun journey, but it is going to be a journey nonetheless. So right there is a cop in front of us. Let's see how he reacts to it. I'm doing everything right. I'm on the right side. I'm doing 15, 16 right now. Yeah, he don't give a fuck. So we're in gear 2, motor 1. I like being in dual motor. It does about 30. That's my speedometer is off. I don't know. That's the thing with some of these scooters. The mile per hour on the display is always off. I don't know if it's just the cheap scooters or if it's just like a every scooter kind of deal. It is a budget scooter, so it is affordable. It is over or under $1,000 depending on how you buy it. I financed, so I'm a little bit over what it would actually cost. For what it costs, it's actually pretty good. Beats walking. It's not a bad scooter for the price. Get up this hill. It's not a bad scooter for the price. It does have power. It don't really have the craziest mile per hour. Gets up to 40 pretty quick. Now we already got 200 miles on it. It still rides pretty good. Going for the newer scooter, and then I have plans to upgrade this one that we're on right now. ONECNA GT7. I got the GT7 because I'm poor, but they have other options. I'm actually capping about because I'm poor. I grabbed the GT9 as well, but I figured this one would have been okay for the price. At this point, telephone pole probably 500 feet. 3, 2, 1. Try to get aerodynamic. I'm all aeroed out, dude. Not sure how fast we're going, but I'm fucking ripping, dude. 40.8. Yeah, there's not much difference. They look identical. Later, bud. This is for all my viewers out there. Just a quick little Bernie. That's the ONECNA GT7. It's not a bad unit for the price. If you're not really a speed demon, this is probably the scooter for you. If you're not into scooters, take the bus. You get power, you get price. If you want more power, more money. But other than that, this is GT7, pretty good. Enough power left to get me home, to be honest. Comes with a key, lanyard.